Hi traders, today is 8th of July 2020. Live the trading for mini S&P futures 500. But this will be a full review for for today early US session entry. So we have one signal based from my live Telegram channel is to short sell the market at 34, and then 3139.25, and then targeted TP at 3134.75. Stop loss is 3144.25. So we are expected to be around not much for today, about 5 points, because I didn't expect the market will have a bigger move, because the signal is really pretty much tight, and this is from my live Telegram channel. Okay, so we did hit the profit target of 31.34, and this about 5 points, almost 5 points. It's not much, but should be around 20 ticks about that. Okay, so let's go back to the chart. Here is my entry over here at 3139.25, and the targeted TP is at this 3134.25. So based from this, we have a floating of negative earlier, but then the market go towards the direction, and the profit is much more, but unfortunately I only stopped at 31.34 based from the calculated profit targeted price level. So we have a profit over here of not much if we are trading the micro as well, the mini S&P. So the micro is $5, mini S&P is $50 per 1 point, so should be around 200 or 20 US dollar. MES for mini S&P is about 250 US dollar for one contract size. So right, for me yesterday only 108 S&P futures. I'm using the micro to trade this. Okay, so but not all lot position during the US session trade. Okay, so this is the live trade from the link I given in the description below. So yep, so we already hit the profit for 3134.75, so you may use. Alright, so now market 3167, so now looks bullish on the today Asia session. But for US session, that's all for today. Scalping one trade per day. And thank you for watching, and there's a lot of advice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and there's a lot of link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Thank you. Bye bye.